Jody Brown, welcome to Profile.
Thank you for having me.
So, congratulations, first of all, your win as 2022 Lasco, Ministry of Education, Jamaica Teaching Council Teacher of the Year. First of all, how does it feel?
Well, it feels really good to know that I am the Lasco Teacher of the Year. It is an honor to know that I am, in the elites. It feels really good.
You said at the ceremony at which you announced the winner that this is something that you wanted, this is something that you were looking forward to 16 years ago when you started teaching. What did other people say to you, by the way?
Well, nobody knew actually, I was at school and I saw the poster. When I looked at it, and I realized all the things that you had to do to become a Lasco Teacher of the Year, I put it down. I said, I'll never become a Lasco Teacher of the Year because that was like a lot of things. And so I just went about my business, enjoying my teaching, enjoying my life, and just doing things because of the passion that I had. And I totally forgot about Lasco Teacher of the Year. What I wanted to become was a master teacher because I realized that there was so much more that I could offer, and so I wanted to do something else that instead of just teaching children in the classroom and helping my peers and just being awesome in the school, I wanted to bring that on the outside also.
So master teacher now is the role of teaching that is kind of like the Ministry of Education's alternative to going into administration.
Yes.
So become kind of like an expert teacher.
Yes.
Overall. What has the reaction to, what kind of reaction have you been getting from people, particularly at the school you teach is in Morant Bay Primary?
Well, the reaction is, I think it's more surprising and shocking to know that Morant Bay Primary School could actually produce teachers of that caliber.
Surprising and shocking?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Normally, a Lasco Teacher of the Year, nobody thinks it will come from St. Thomas. So for it to come from Morant Bay Primary School, a primary school like that, it is something that is historical. And I think quite a few of the teachers, they were happy. And that's just it. You're going to have the very happy ones, and then you're going to have some who will look and say, why? How come? What did he do? What is so special about him? But they will soon know and understand why I am the Lasco Teacher of the Year.
And this has also meant a lot of publicity.
Yes,
you've been doing the media rounds. You're doing interviews. Your face and name in the newspapers, on the radio, on television. How does that feel? What has that experience been like?
It has been, if I can use one word, awesome. Randy Orton, he's a wrestler, and he always uses that word, awesome. It has been an awesome experience. I never dreamt that I would actually be like this one day, but I am extremely happy. Extremely happy.
Now, you're a grade 5 teacher at Morant Bay Primary. What are your students saying?
My students are, right now, they are very excited. When I told them that I was nominated, first of all, to be one of the finalists for Lasco Teacher of the Year, they didn't understand. So I explained to them that there are many teachers in the country, and I was selected as one of the best. And I couldn't finish that statement. It was just running up and down, children clapping. It was just pure excitement for them. When they cooled down, I told them what it was, and when I won and came back to school, it was like it was like I'm a king. These children were like, sir, you're okay, sir, you want anything, sir? Is everything good? They were just like, if I say, children, you can become they just started clapping, and because to them, to have the Lasco Teacher of the Year in their classroom, it is like they have the best teacher in the world right now. I am actually teaching my son, and I know that he's extremely, extremely proud to know that his dad is the Lasco Teacher of the Year. And so when he's speaking to me many times, It's like, I can't say father and I can't say teacher. Lasco Teacher of the Year. Lasco Teacher of the Year. Lasco Teacher of the Year. He keeps repeating that. And the children are very, 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 very happy. I can take it outside of the classroom, and the children in the school, when they see me, it's like, I'm a celebrity for them. And the number of hugs that I have gotten, it is amazing. Even to this point, even today, while I was at school, they were like, Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown. And some children were just like, congratulations. The parents are very happy.
Did you think you would win?
No, I did not think I would have won.
Why not?
Because growing up, I do not think of myself as the number one. I have never thought of myself as being number one. I have always thought of myself as being, okay then, I am good enough, but maybe not the best. And so I did not think that I would have won. But my work speaks for itself. And so persons outside of the school, in the region, and outside of the region, outside of the parish, they would have seen some of the things that I have done and said, you know, when I told them that I was nominated, everybody, my wife was saying, you're the winner. And even though they are saying it, I still did not believe that I would be number one.
No, part of what makes your story so remarkable, and you mentioned it at the ceremony as well, when you won, was that you were planning to leave teaching.
Yes.
What you sound like you have this absolute passion for it. What was happening?
There were a lot of things happening. A lot of things were just going. I was at the point of depression. It felt as if I was useless. I felt as if I was not good enough. I just felt as if this was not for me anymore because of the things that were happening around me. And I thought that maybe it's best to just throw in the towel and just leave.
Continue teaching, but just not in Jamaica? Or just leave the profession overall?
Well, I wanted to, get a chance to go and teach abroad. But I thought of leaving the profession altogether.
All right, I wanna talk about that, especially in the context of how you came to be involved in the profession and the kind of difference it's made, not just the kind of difference you've made for other people, but the kind of difference it's made to your life. But we have to go to the break. My guest is the 2022 Lasco Ministry of Education Jamaica Teaching Council Teacher of the Year, Jody Brown. More on Profile when we return.